Hello everyone. We are going to our next chapter, anti-malarial drugs. What is definition of anti-malarial drugs? These drugs which prevent or cure parasitic disease, that is malaria. So this drug is known as anti-malarial drugs. Okay. These are four species of protozoa parasites produce malaria, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malarium and Plasmodium ovale. So this is a definition of anti-malarial drugs. Now next, classification of anti-malarial drugs. These are two types. First type is chemical classification and second type is pharmacological classification. In that first chemical classification, in that seventh subclass, first is cinchona alkaloid, second one is 4-amino quinoline derivative, third one is 8-amino quinoline derivative, fourth one is 9-amino quinoline derivatives, fifth one is bigonide derivative, sixth one is pyrimidine derivative and last one is miscellaneous. In that first cinchona alkaloid, example is quinine, 4-amino quinoline derivative, example is chloroquine, 8-amino quinoline derivative, example is primaquine, 9-amino quinoline derivative, example is mepacrine, fifth bigonide derivative, proguanil, pyrimidine derivative, pyrimethamine and last one is miscellaneous, that is dapsone. It is a chemical classification. Now next type is pharmacological classification. These are four types. First, casual prophylactic drugs, example is proguanil, pyrimethamine. Seasonal drugs, quinine, chloroquine, amidaquine. Anti-relapse drugs, proquinil and last one is gametocytocidal drugs, example is proguanil, pyrimethamine. So this is a classification of anti-malarial drugs. Now next, first cinchona alkaloids. Okay, for example is quinine. These are structure of quinine. So this is a benzene ring and will attach in 6-membered ring containing nitrogen atom. This fused ring is known as quinine ring and this is portion is about a nitrogen containing, means a 4th member containing nitrogen. So this is structure of quinine and this one is methoxy group, that is quinine alkaloid or cinchona alkaloid. What is about quinine? What is source? Source is a number of alkaloids are found in cinchona bark. You know, in cinchona bark, in pharmacognosy, in that cinchona bark, that is one of example is quinine, quinidine, cinchonine and cinchonidine. Okay, so this is a source of quinine. Now physical properties: odor, odorless, taste, bitter. What is about solubility? Slightly soluble in ether and chloroform. Okay, ether and chloroform में कम क्रम में soluble होते हैं. Now next, storage. It's store in tightly closed container. Tightly closed container में store होते हैं because of protected from light. What is about uses? Quinine is highly active blood seasonocyte. Okay, it is highly active blood seasonocyte, quinine. Yes, and it is used as anti-malarial drugs. Okay, so it is a treatment of malaria. So this is a quinine. Now next, 4-amino quinoline derivative, example is chloroquine. Okay, in that this is a structure of chloroquine. Okay, in that chloroquine, this is a also benzene ring and now this quinine ring and this one position, that is 7th position, that is chlorine atom is here and this is also aliphatic chain is here, that is longest chain in that 4th position. So that is NH, CH, CH2, CH2N, CH3 and this is C2H5, C2H5. So this is a chloroquine. Okay, that is 4 amino quinoline derivative, that is chloroquine. Okay, this is a first position number starting from this nitrogen atom, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is 8 membered ring. Okay, and this in that fourth position, that is aliphatic chain, that is longest chain, that is NH CH CH2 CH2 CH2, that is a N C2H5 C2H5, that is ethyl group is here, and now and that first carbon, that is methyl group is here, so that is a chloroquine structure. Now next, what is IUPAC of this chloroquine? That is 4 is common here. In that bracket 4 dash, that is 4 dash diethyl amino. In that 4 dash diethyl amino, here is diethyl amino, that is first carbon atom is here, that is 1 2 3 4, that is 4, that is 4 diethyl, 4 dash diethyl amino, 1 dash methyl butyl. This is a methyl butyl. Why butyl? Because 4 carbon atom is here, and at that one position, that is methyl group is here, so that's why 1 dash methyl butyl whole bracket close. Amino 7 chloroquinoline. Why amino? Because NH is amino group, that is NH, and 7 chloroquinoline. This is a ring, is basic ring, that is quinoline ring. So that's why in the 7th position chlorine atom is here and NH is amino. So this is IUPAC is about 4 dash, in that bracket 4 dash diethyl amino, 1 dash methyl butyl amino, 7 chloroquinoline. This is IUPAC of chloroquine. Okay, now next properties. Color white or yellow crystalline powder, odor odorless, taste is bitter. What is about solubility? Soluble in water, chloroform and ether. Now next, uses क्या है उसके? It is used in treatment of मलेरिया, मलेरियल के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए क्लोरोक्विन यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इट इज़ यूज टू ट्रीट हिपैटिक एमियोबाइसिस, हिपैटिक एमियोबाइसिस के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए क्लोरोक्विन यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ थर्ड वन इज इट इज़ यूज टू ट्रीट जीराडासिस, एंड फोर्थ इज इट इज़ यूज टू ट्रीट ह्यूमॉइड एंथ्रेटिक्स. ओके, सो दिस इज अ यूजेस ऑफ क्लोरोक्विन. This is a structure of chloroquine, and now this is IUPAC properties and uses. And what is about brand name of chloroquine? Resocin and Larigo. Okay, and now official preparations. Chloroquine phosphate BPIP, that is British Pharmacopoeia. IP means Indian Pharmacopoeia. This is official preparation or marketed preparation is here. Next, chloroquine phosphate injection BP, chloroquine phosphate tablets BP USP, that is United States Pharmacopoeia, and chloroquine sulfate BP and IP. Yes, this is official preparations or marketed preparations of chloroquine. And our next type is 8 amino quinoline derivative. It is primaquine. Example is primaquine. It is one of example of 8 amino quinoline derivative. Why 8 amino quinoline derivative? Because 8 position के नज़दीक में हमारा जो ये aliphatic chain लगा है, that is amino group and also quinoline derivative, so that is about 8 amino quinoline derivative. So example is primaquine. This is structure of primaquine. Also it is a ring is quinoline ring, yes, and number start from nitrogen atom. It is 8 member ring, so this is a quinoline ring, and in that 6 position methoxy group is here, that is CH3 group is here, and 8 position, that is aliphatic chain is here, that is amino group, and this is also aliphatic chain, that is 1 2 3 4, that is butyl, and in that 4th position methyl group is here, and in that 4th position amine group is here. So now what is IUPAC of this primaquine? IUPAC is in that bracket, and also in that bracket 4 dash amino, 1 dash methyl butyl amino, 6 methoxy quinoline. Means what? This is 8 is common position. Okay, and in that 4th position amino group is here, that is NH2 group is here, and 1 dash is methyl butyl amino. Okay, and 6 methoxyquinoline. Yes, this is 6 methoxyquinoline. So this is a primaquine. Now physical properties: color orange red, crystalline powder. What is about taste? Bitter. What is solubility? Soluble in water, insoluble in chloroform and ether. What is about uses? Primaquine is effective antimalarial drugs against Plasmodium species. Okay, इफेक्टिव एंटीमलेरियल ड्रग्स से उसके अगेंस्ट काम करते हैं प्लाज्मोडिया स्पीसीज. ओके, सो दिस इज यूजेस ऑफ Primaquine. What is brand name? Primachine phosphate. Brand name is Primachine phosphate. Okay, thank you very much. Our next topic is our next lecture.